Hey everyone, today I have a new workout for you. It's gonna take only like 15 to 18 minutes. All you're gonna need is your jump rope. I'm using my 1/4 pound and 1 pound rope today. It's a circuit and then just body weight exercises. We're gonna rock through this so you can get on with your day. Let's go over what we're gonna be doing. Here is the circuit we will be performing for a total of 3 to 4 rounds. Rest 10 seconds between exercises and 60 to 90 seconds between rounds. I am performing round 1, so follow along and then rewind for rounds 2 and 3. As you can see, it's time-based, so go hard. If you are interested in checking out this weighted jump rope system, it's by Crossrope. I have them linked down below with a 10% off code just for you. If you haven't, subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Let's get into this workout. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and let me know what kind of workouts you would like to see in the future. If you like specific styles, leave that in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of the new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.